Hello guys, today we will see in this session how to open CATIA software. There are 4 methods. We will see one by one. Okay, let's start the session. First of all, here the AutoCAD 2012, the icon of the AutoCAD software is available. Just double click on the icon. It will take some time to open the software, so just wait a few minutes. Okay, here's the interface of AutoCAD. Okay, now close the software. Now another method is just select the icon and right click. There are 2 types. Click on open, otherwise click on run as administrator. Both of these you can use any one option to open the AutoCAD. Okay, next, the icon is not available on this desktop. Then what we'll do? Just click on start button. Okay, here the all programs. In all programs, Autodesk folder is available. Find it and open it. There is AutoCAD 12 English. The folder is available. Open it. In that, here the AutoCAD 2012 English. Just select. After selecting, the AutoCAD software is in progress to open. Okay, now we'll see just okay. Now close the window. Now how to take shortcut of the AutoCAD on the desktop? Just click on start button, select all program. In all programs, the Autodesk folder is available. Open it and open the AutoCAD 12 software. Select it, right click on the AutoCAD 2012 and send to desktop. Okay, here the shortcut of the AutoCAD is created. Okay, in next session we will see which commands are used in AutoCAD and we will cover it. Okay, thank you.